Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. I'm very excited to introduce you to another beauty box of mine. This is the Abib with James Welsh Breakout and Dark Spot Solution Kit. So the launch date is the 31st of January and this retails at $39, but with a value of $120. So the name pretty much speaks for itself, right? But the ultimate goal of this box is to give you the most even, smooth, blemish-free, comfortable and radiant skin of your life, but in James Welsh fashion. So gentle, soothing. And we are going to do that using two of Abib's product lines, the Tika line and the Glutathiosum line. So let's have a look at the box, the products that you get in the box, and then go through each line. So let's start off with what is most probably my favorite line from Abib, and this is their Tika line. And these products are the clear skin solution part of the equation. And these were originally made by Abib to target acne and breakouts, congested skin that leads to larger looking pores, redness, irritation of the skin, and it really is perfect for all skin types. Okay, so let's look at the serum first, which has become one of my more used favorite serums of recent times, and this is the Heartleaf Tika Capsule Calming Drop Serum. And this is for those with acne, breakouts, those who need to calm irritation and calm redness as well, and in general soothe their skin. For me, that's a daily occurrence, so this is a daily serum for me. If you've been watching my TikToks, you know that this has become a daily use serum for me. I use it all the time. And the first thing that attracted me to this serum is because it looks like the old zero gravity drink, whatever it's called. Remember those? I love those. But these little capsules have potent ingredients that are encapsulated in an oil. So there's no kind of like shell that you have to pop on your skin. So we have a better preserved active ingredient that works to their full potential once it goes on your skin. And those ingredients in the capsules are Centella asiatica. But oh my God, the rest of the ingredient list is kind of crazy. It's heartleaf, panthenol, ectoin, all in this like soothing, like light jelly hydrating serum. We've also got succinic acid and niacinamide in here, all working together to help with breakouts, congestion, inflamed skin. Again, in this amazing, lightweight, one and done kind of serum. Then we have the Heartleaf Spot Pad Calming Touch. Everybody loves a toner pad nowadays, right? And I do too, I really do. But I do like when that toner pad serves more of a function on its own rather than like, oh, this could have just been a toner. And I use these particular toner pads year round because as somebody with very easily irritated skin, easy sensitized skin and rosacea, these are so soothing and calming, everything I want for my skin. And they've done their own case studies, Abib have, to show how much these significantly cool down the skin. So this helps with my rosacea flushes. If I've got irritated skin, this is very calming. If I got extra annoying and irritated, kind of like itchy breakouts, this instantly soothes. Of course, Heartleaf being at the core of the ingredient list in this product, but then we also have some really nice hydrating ingredients that you'd expect to find in a toner like sodium hyaluronate and glycerin, and something called hydroxyethylurea, which kind of really just helps keep your skin bouncy and hydrated. The next product we have is the mild acidic pH sheet mask Heartleaf Fit, and this is my first time using this sheet mask actually, and this has all the benefits again of Heartleaf with a mildly acidic pH, which Abib says strengthens the skin immunity and helps balance the skin's pH. But what I find really interesting about this mask is it's made from something that I've never heard before, ever. Albam, which is albumin and bamboo. Now, albumin is egg white, so when you use this mask, it kind of like slightly tightens, not like that awful egg mask and toilet roll hack from back in the day, but just tightens on the skin just enough to have the sheet mask feel super close to your skin and help with the absorption of all that essency serum that is on the mask. There is a huge amount of soothing ingredients in this mask. Of course, Centella, Heartleaf, but we have licorice root, allantoin, as well as glycerin for some hydration. And it is. Do you know what I like about this mask in particular as well? I've only used it twice. What I will say is it's just got just the right amount of essence or serum in here. It's not too drippy. It doesn't dry out too quick. So when you take it off, you do have to pat in some excess, but it's not excessively, oh my God, like that, you know, sometimes you have to like rub it down your neck and then all over your arms. And it's like, why is this not going? This doesn't do that. Let's move on to the next product line in this box, and that is the glutathione line. And you may have guessed it from the name already, but it contains glutathione, which I used to think was a vitamin C derivative, but it's not. But it is very similar in its antioxidant properties, cell repair, etc. So this line is particularly good for dark spots, dull skin, and uneven skin tone. The glutathione Dark Spot Serum Vita Drops, Abib uses encapsulated 98% pure glutathione in that oil plant-based lipid membrane to help kind of boost the absorption of this ingredient and keep it very potent. But the serum also has a blend of niacinamide, 5% glutathione, of course, and vitamin C at 5% too, and works to even out your skin tone and brighten and rejuvenate the skin. I should have said glutathione is obviously a mix of glutathione and exosomes, essentially meaning that the glutathione will be better absorbed by your skin. Again, this is in that hydrating jelly texture, which just feels so nice and light on the skin, yet really quenching as well. And then we have the glutathione version of the toner pads, the glutathione Dark Spot Vita Touch. These feel very different to the Heartleaf one. These kind of feel gauzy. There's a little bit of texture to them. I would use them to gently exfoliate. These ones just feel like a very plush cotton. Again, this targets dark spots, uneven skin tone, with vitamin C, glutathione, and niacinamide, along with allantoin, ceramides, and cholesterol as well. So you get all these skin brightening and evening ingredients with that soothing and healing skin barrier caring touch. Oh, and LHA as well for very, very gentle exfoliation. There's a lot of Essence serum in here, but the thickness of these pads really does hold onto that and keeps it very, very close to your skin. And then we have the mild acidic pH sheet mask Glutathione Fit. And this is obviously the glutathione version of the sheet mask. I won't go into all that much detail, but it's the same amazing sheet mask with those skin evening benefits, which is great for even more sensitized skin. So now I kind of want to share how I personally have been using these in a skincare routine. And it's really simple, to be honest. I don't know why I'm like telling you, but for me, glutathione is really great for the morning paired with sunscreen, so you get all those antioxidant benefits, you know. And then the Tika line for me is more of like an evening thing, protect in the morning, repair and calm in the evening. But you can do both. I'd use the Tika toner pads in the morning to calm my skin, kind of reduce redness for the day ahead, and then use the glutathione drops after, pair that with sunscreen. And then the Tika serum in the evening, again to calm, and then the masks really whenever you want. I also use the toner pads more so in the evening. For me, I use the Heartleaf spot pads on my cheeks and on my nose, or wherever my rosacea is like really, really flaring up. And then I will use the glutathione dark spot pads on my forehead. This is where I break out like all the time. It's probably because of like hair product. I don't know. I just break out there all the time. I'm more oily on my forehead as well. So because of that, I also have some more discoloration up there from post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So I will focus on that area with the glutathione pads. I will leave all the information in the description down below with the links as well. And this is going to be available on stylekorean.com. So thank you to Abib for working with me on this one and Style Korean for making this possible. Let me know if you like the look of this kit. I feel like it's something different to what I've done before. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.